In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a list from Klaviyo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to download a CSV file containing your suppressed profiles, which you can then use for analysis, backup, or importing into other tools. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account and then head over to your main Klaviyo dashboard. This is the central hub you see right after logging in, where you can view your overall performance, recent campaigns, and account activity. We'll start here and then quickly move into the audience section. From the dashboard, look towards the main navigation and click on Audience. This is where Klaviyo stores all information related to your contacts, including lists, segments, and individual profiles. Think of it as the area that controls who you talk to and how you manage them. Once you are in the Audience section, click on Profiles. The Profiles view is essentially a database of every contact that exists in your account. Each person has a profile that includes their email address, status, and any other data you've collected, such as location, purchase behavior, or custom properties. For this export, we're interested in a special subset of these contacts, the ones who are suppressed. Inside the Profiles area, look for the option that says View Suppressed Profiles and click on it. Suppressed profiles are contacts you should not be emailing. This usually includes people who have unsubscribed, marked your emails as spam, or bounced repeatedly. Exporting this list is useful if you need to share it with another platform, keep a record for compliance, or make sure you're not accidentally re-importing these contacts elsewhere. Once you're on the Suppressed Profiles page, you'll see a list of all those contacts along with some basic details. To download them, look for the Export CSV button and click on it. A CSV, or comma separated values file, is a simple spreadsheet format that works with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most email platforms. When you click Export CSV, Klaviyo will prepare the file with the relevant data from your suppressed profiles. Depending on the size of your account, the export might take a moment. After it's generated, the file will either download automatically to your computer or be available through a link provided by Klaviyo. From there, you can open it, store it safely, or upload it into another system as needed. And that's all you need to do to export your suppressed list from Klaviyo.